This video will show you how to assemble a Magnum platform. These assembly instructions can be used for any Magnum platform. 4 foot or 6 foot. Rubber or wood. The model shown in this video is a Magnum MX 4-foot platform with hardwood insert. Both the rubber and VRS option, or vibration reduction system, are shown at the end. Refer to the appropriate platform owner's manual for additional information, including product specifications, maintenance checklist, and torque values. For the MX 4-foot platform shown in this video, ensure you achieve these exact distances between rails during installation. This assembly requires 2 people. Carefully unpack all of the materials where you plan to assemble the platform. Install the platform mounting brackets. Hand tighten 2 bolts each with a washer, on the left side. Repeat the process on the right side. Next, align the short rail tubes next to the platform mounting brackets. Hand tighten 2 bolts on the left side. Repeat the process on the right side. Directly behind the mounting brackets, slide the platform zipper pieces in from the left and right sides and connect them firmly so they do not move. Loosen all bolts on the rack's back connecting bar, to allow room to install the platform base. Put the platform into place. The front of this platform piece must not extend out farther than the rail tubes. The left and right platform sides, as shown here, are slightly recessed, which is good. All bolts on the rack's back connecting bar should then be retightened. Be sure to follow the torque specifications listed in the product's assembly guide when tightening or retightening any hardware. All bolts on the front platform mounting brackets, left and right, can now be fully tightened. Next, assemble the front rail of the platform frame. Slide the connection plate into the first rail. Hand tighten 2 bolts. Slide the second rail over the connecting plate and hand tighten 2 bolts. Tighten all of the front rail bolts. Put the left and right rails in place on the floor. Install a corner bracket and hand tighten 2 bolts on all 4 corners. Adjust the back left corner so that both bolts are in the center slot position. Tighten both bolts. Adjust the front rail so that the left front bolt is in the center slot position. Tighten that bolt. Measure the distance on the left side, from the inside of the rear rail, to the inside of the front rail. Adjust the corner to get an exact measurement of 48 1/8 inches. Then, tighten the front bolt on the left side rail to prevent this measurement from changing. Next, measure the length, from the inside of the left side rail, to the inside of the right side rail. Adjust the right front corner as necessary to get an exact measurement of 96 7/8 inches. Tighten the right bolt on the front rail to prevent this measurement from changing. Adjust the right rail so the front side bolt matches the slot position of the bolt on the opposite side, then tighten the bolt. Measure the distance on the right side, from the inside of the front rail, to the inside of the rear rail. Adjust the back right corner as necessary to get an exact measurement of 48 1/8 inches. Tighten the side bolt, at the rear of the right side rail, to prevent this measurement from changing. Finally, measure the back length, from the inside of the right side rail, to the inside of the left side rail. Adjust the back right corner as necessary to get an exact measurement of 96 7/8 inches. Tighten the rear bolt, on the right side of the rear rail, to prevent this measurement from changing. Ensure you have a perfect rectangular frame before proceeding. Put the hardwood insert into place. Install the 3 bolts to hold the 2 platform pieces together. If you are installing the rubber platform, put the left and right plywood pieces into place. Ensure the plywood is flush against the insert, then drill 6 screws at the edge, to anchor the plywood. Do the same to the other side. Put the rubber in place. When installing the rubber mat, the shinier side should be facing up. Tuck in the corners and tamp down the edges. Do the same to the other side. If you are installing the vibration reduction system, place 3 of the smaller foam pieces down first, followed by 3 of the larger foam pieces. Put the rubber in place. When installing the rubber mat, the shinier side should be facing up. Tuck in the corners and tamp down the edges. Do the same to the other side. The platform assembly is complete.